Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying the fifth lesson of Qaida Nuraniya. That's page 11. And this from here to here. So the first 9 syllables. This is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. Okay, so from here to there, we will just read it out without an explanation because it's going to be too advanced for this level. الدرس الخامس الدرس الخامس. الدرس means lesson. خامس means fifth. So this is the fifth lesson of القاعدة النورانية. الحروف المنونة الحروف المنونة. حروف means letters. منونة means with tanween. So letters with tanween. So what is tanween? Tanween is basically a doubling of a vowel. Explain it here. So if you see here, that's fatha, and when we double fatha, that will become fathatain. We have kasra. When we double it, that will become kasratain. And we have dhamma. When we double it, that will be dhammatain. That's 3 ways of writing, so all mean the same. So that's fatha, fathatain, kasra, kasratain, dhamma, dhammatain. So fathatain is always written above the letter, kasratain below the letter, and dhammatain above the letter. So at-tanween, that's at-tanween, that's the transliteration line, that's the meaning, and that's further transliteration. So that's fathatain. Fathatain is always, just a recap, fathatain is always written above the letter, kasratain always below the letter, and dhammatain always above the letter. Some of you might have learned from other languages, and they call it do zabar, do zer, and do pesh. So that is fine. The names to call them is fine, as long as you produce the correct sound. Then there shouldn't be any problem. But it's still good to learn their names in Arabic as well. Okay. So the first one, if you see mim fathatain man, and the alif is ignored. So you see all of them, whenever there's fathatain on a letter, it has alif with it, but that's ignored. We don't say it. That's why I've done here. Look, mim fathatain man. So I haven't put alif here. So it was only mim fathatain man. And what the fathatain does is it adds. So this is mim. M is for mim, and it adds the sound n to it. If it's fathatain, it adds the sound n to it. So mim fathatain man, mim fathatain man, mim fathatain man. If you go to the next one, mim kasratain min. So in this case, the kasratain adds the sound of in. So that's mim, m for mim, and in is for kasratain. Mim kasratain min, mim kasratain min. If we go to the third one here, mim dhammatain mun. So the mun, this is actually the sound of this u and un. It adds to the mim. So mim dhammatain mun, mim dhammatain mun, mim dhammatain mun. Man, min, mun, man, min, mun. Just to recap, for fathatain we add an sound to the letter. For kasratain we add in sound, and for dhammatain we add un sound. Man, min, mun. And a recap for that is whenever a letter has fathatain, it has alif, but that alif is silent. So the next one is ba. Can you see here? It's ba. The alif is silent here again. Ba fathatain ban. That's how it is pronounced. Ba fathatain ban. Ba kasratain bin. Ba kasratain bin. Ba dhammatain bun. Ba dhammatain bun. Ban, bin, bun. Ban, bin, bun. The third set of syllables are for waw. So that's waw fatha, waw fathatain, and the alif is silent again. Waw fathatain one, waw fathatain one, waw kasratain win, waw kasratain win, waw dhammatain wun, waw dhammatain wun, wan, win, wun, wan, win, wun. So the next three slides would be sounds only without any spellings. Man, min, mun. Man, min, mun. Ban, bin, bun. Ban, bin, bun. Wan, win, wun. Wan, win, wun. So this is the end of this session. In next session we will practice those 9 syllables 10 times without explanation, just to give you enough practice. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.